A woman's body undergoes many changes throughout her life, such as during pregnancy, menstruation, and menopause. These changes may make the intimate areas of her body, also known as V-zone, susceptible to various health and hygiene issues. The skin of the vaginal area is delicate, requiring special care and thorough cleansing. The healthy environment of V-zone depends upon the fragile balance of optimal pH between 3.8 to 4.5 and natural flora, which if disturbed results in various health and hygiene problems. Factors affecting V-zone hygiene and health. Vaginal discharge. Vaginal discharge is a normal phenomenon that naturally flushes out any harmful bacteria from internal female organs. However, it may cause bad odor, irritation, and vaginal infections. Pubic hair removal. Overgrowth of pubic hair may cause itching and skin irritation. On the other hand, hair removal via shaving or waxing can also cause dryness, irritation, inflammation, and increased risk of infection and sensitivity. Sweating. Sweating is not only associated with bad odor, but also causes irritation, itching, and provides humid environment for bacterial growth. Alkaline soaps and cleansers. Ordinary soaps or cleansers are alkaline in nature that may alter the optimal pH and disturb the natural flora of the V-zone, making it itchy, dry, and prone to infections. How to maintain clean and healthy V-zone. Regular and gentle cleansing of V-zone is essential to maintain female intimate hygiene and overall health. A gentle, soothing, and pH-friendly cleanser, specially designed to keep female intimate areas clean and healthy. Cran-V contains Cranberry Extract, helps in maintaining intimate area health. Aloe Vera relieves inflammation and itching, helps in rejuvenating the skin. Lactic Acid helps in maintaining optimal pH between 3.8 to 4.5, keeps normal flora in balance, prevents bad odor. Vitamin B3 helps in skin repair, keeps skin moisturized, soft, and smooth. How to apply. Take appropriate quantity of Cran-V on wet palm and make some lather. Apply on the intimate area and gently cleanse the skin using the lather. Then rinse thoroughly with water. Use Cran-V once or twice daily, as per need for effective cleansing. Keep out of the reach of children. If product causes any irritation or comes in contact with eyes, rinse immediately. Store in cool place and away from direct sunlight, for external use only. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share it with others and subscribe my YouTube channel.